And happy birthday, Lelay. This is for you. A same-day edit from iTrix Visions.
O siya, Lelay, hindi mo naman talaga alam to at ang alam mo lang magpipictorial tayo kagaya ng ginagawa natin dito dahil kasi nagpipictorial tayo ng mga damit. Ang alam mo lang yung suot mo pero hindi mo alam kung anong makikita mo, kung sino mga pupunta para ipakita ang pagmamahal sa'yo. Kaya naman anak, good luck sa iyong Drag Dagulan 18th birthday party. Lelay, syempre, ngayong 18 ka na, much more dapat mag-prepare ka. Kasi mas maraming pagsubok, mas marami kang matututunan, at saka, it's okay na minsan you be a fool, minsan that you do things na curious ka, but then always put yourself on guard. Kailangan mas lalo mong iisipin ang lahat ng bagay bago mo sabihin, bago mo gawin, at much more careful ka. Alam ko na yung maturity nandiyan na yan sa'yo at hindi ako natatakot dahil alam kong you are a strong woman.
Happy birthday, Gelay. Now you're a fully grown lady na. I wish you more happiness that you deserve. And sa upcoming journey mo, especially pag nag-college ka na, I wish you all the best and syempre, success in life. Ate Ella will be always be your Ate Ella and here for you. Happy birthday, we love you.
Happy birthday, Lelay! Naku, baby girl, hindi ka na baby girl. Ganap na babaeng beautiful at mature ka na talaga. So, yung mahabang message mamaya na lang dahil baka maubusan tayo na sasabihin. Pero, I'm so happy to celebrate today with you and I hope you like your surprise. Pinaghandaan to ng mama mo ng sobra-sobra. Diyos ko kung alam mo lang. So, I hope you enjoy it because this is for you. Copy and paste. Happy birthday.
Hi Lelay, happy birthday sa'yo. More birthdays to come and very thankful ako dahil nakatrabaho ko ang nanay mo na sobrang bait and kaya sobrang blessed ka din to have her. So, mahalin mo siya at mahalin mo yung family kaya go!
Happy birthday, Lelay. 18 ka na. Alam mo na kung ano yung mga dapat mali o tama. Lagi mo tatandaan nandito si Kuya Ping para sa'yo. Yun lang, enjoy your day and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lelay. Sana ma-enjoy mo tong araw na to. Mag-18 ka na actually. Sana maging responsible and be more careful sa mga ginagawa mo. Sana hindi ka na namin kailangan pagsabihan. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Kuya Uno pala.
Happy birthday, Lelay!
These are the days when moments are made. Now won't wait. We're born to fly. The world is ours. Let's eclipse the stars.
So, baby, tandaan mo lang na mahal ka namin. At andito lang kami lagi sa tabi mo. Hindi kami mawawala. Anytime of your life, you always know where to find us. I love you, baby.
Now's the time for all our dreams to come. Today's the day to see the world in a whole new light.
ako, sobrang mahal ka ng mama mo at talagang sinurprise sa kanya ng ganito kabonggang birthday. Deserve mo and deserve nyo na maging masaya today. Happy birthday. Sana patuloy mo lang na maging mabuting anak at mga kapatid sa mga kapatid mo. God bless you and stay healthy. Have a good one. I love you.
Today's the day.